Hi folks, Bill Baylis here. I'm here with Dean Mercado. We're from Online Marketing Muscle. And today we're going to talk about the 3 keys to great execution. Now, being in business all these years, one thing I noticed that most of us entrepreneurs were great starters. There's a lot of great starters in it. I know how to get that business started, but unfortunately, some of the things fall short and we're not the greatest finishers in the world. So Dean, why don't you talk to us a little bit about the 3 keys?
Absolutely, thank you. The first major key, and this tends to be a breakdown for a lot of businesses, is maximize all that you do. If you're gonna do it and spend the effort, resources, time, do it great, right? So the idea is less is more. Many entrepreneurs take on a little bit more than they can chew, so to speak, so they tend to try and do more things. So in the marketing world, they might be doing 10, 20 different strategies or tactics to grow their business, whether it's blogging and Facebook and Twitter and all these different things, but they do none of them well.
Keep it simple.
Yeah, the key is take on 3 of them and do those 3 great, and you'll find a much better result in your business. So maximize all that you do. The second big key that we want to point out, and this is one of the main reasons why we went after Bill to get Bill into this company, is the concept of leverage. It's learning how to leverage the power, the resources, the abilities, the skills of other people to fill the gaps, to make things happen faster, better, faster, cheaper than you can do it on your own. The idea here is no superheroes. In the world of entrepreneurialism, you can't be a superhero. It just doesn't work for long.
And man, I'm going to put you on the spot a little bit out here because I think women get this great. They know how to ask for help. They know how to build community.
Right.
But guys, I hate to put you on the spot, but your wife is right. Ask for directions. It's really okay.
Right. I absolutely get that and resonate with that as well. So now the big third point here is one that I got from some very smart people. They're co-authors of a book called Success Principles, Jack Canfield and Janet Switzer. And that point is called the Rule of 5. Now the idea behind this is to do at least 5 things every single day to move you closer to whatever goal is you're going after. So if your goal is to obtain 10 new clients this month, make sure that you're doing at least 5 things every day to obtain or attain those 5 new clients this month. Taking it one step further, journal it, write it down, have an accountability partner. Make sure there's a way of you adding those checks and balances to make sure that you're actually doing what you set out to do. You'll find that you get there a lot faster than just kind of the old traditional ways. So those are the 3 things. Real quick again, maximize, because less is more. Leverage, because there's no room for superheroes in the entrepreneurial world. And the third one is that rule of 5, every single day.
And folks, the biggest key to finishing is know when it's done. And one of the phrases we use here at Online Marketing Muscle is ship it. Get it done, hit the commit button, and get it out to the world. Everybody wants to see what you have.
Absolutely. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a quote, a little bit of a phrase that we use here as well. Better strategy equals better results. Even better strategy and better execution of that strategy equals even better results. So with that being said, here's to your success.